Celebration and more celebration have given way for the anger and the dissatisfaction over the government that was spiraling out of control on the streets in the national capital. Here at Jantar Mantar on the Leo Tolstoy Marg towards the Parliament Street, you can see students celebrating in playing game such as tug of war, and they are saying that they will eventually return from the protesting site as Dharmendra Pradhan, the Union Education Minister, whose resignation they have been seeking for the last 1 month. Pradhan sent his resignation to Prime Minister Narendra Modi earlier today. Remember, the police officials have started making announcement from the loudspeaker that all the metro stations in central Delhi have been open, and they are urging the students to return home, saying that government has already accepted all their demands and that they should ensure peace and tranquility on the street and they should return home. Here you can clearly understand the mood out here on the street in the national capital. They are playing tug of war. They have just let go of their stress and their anger against the government. They are just rejoicing their success, and they are saying that they will return home eventually now.
Absolutely. I think since our demands are met, we have 2 more demands. Like the DIPK has already announced that what we are asking for, no FIR, no action against any protesters, against any youth, and 1 crore of the amount for all those 20 or 25 students who have committed the suicide because of the inefficiencies of this government.
You live in Delhi. What do you do, sir?
I'm an IT professional.
IT professional.
IT professional.
And you have been coming here for since 20th.
20th, before that I came for a couple of days, but since the lathi charge happened, I could not sit. I work in the US shift. It means I worked till 2 or 3 a.m. After completing my job, right? I used to come every day here. Then I leave from here around 5 or 6. Then I take a rest for a couple of hours. Then I go to work and then come here. That has been my
What
routine.
has happened today is unprecedented in terms of that there has not been any minister in the Union Cabinet of Narendra Modi who has resigned due to the failure, due to the institutional failure. Remember, MJ Akbar had resigned, but not any minister for the responsibility of his ministry. How do you see this? Will this set a precedent? How do you see this?
Absolutely. The accountability must be fixed, right? Same NEET exam was leaked in 2024 and we don't know what action was taken, right? Same thing happened, right? This time, that since the Dharmendra Pradhan has resigned, every minister now knows that if they don't perform according to will of the power, they has to go also.
मैं यहाँ पे कम से कम 10 दिनों से हूँ। मैं एक ही बात रखना चाहता हूँ, अगर ऐसी गवर्नमेंट करते रही तो हम जैसे जेनजी आगे आते रहेंगे और इस गवर्नमेंट को तबाह होने को ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं बचेगा। जो 14 सालों में नहीं हुआ वो हम करेंगे फिर।
आप बताइए, आप कहाँ से हैं और कब से हैं यहाँ पर?
जी मैं फरीदाबाद से हूँ। मैं यहाँ पे कम से कम महीना भर हो गया सर मुझे यहाँ।
क्या करते हैं फरीदाबाद में?
मैं सर जॉब करता हूँ फरीदाबाद में। अपनी बहनों के लिए आया। मेरी बहन जो पढ़ रही है बेचारी छोटी है, उसके साथ ऐसा ना हो आगे चल के। और वैसे मोदी सरकार ऐसी बुखलाई हुई है, कल भी एक इस्तीफा हुआ रात को रवनीत सिंह बिट्टू जी का, फिर आज एक इस्तीफा हुआ। तो मोदी सरकार से कह रहे हैं कि जो अब मिनिस्टर लाएंगे अब तो सही से लाना, दोबारा गलती होगी तो उसका इस्तीफा तो लेंगे, साथ में मोदी का इस्तीफा भी देना पड़ेगा।
जो आप अभी सबके चेहरे पे जो मुस्कान देख रहे हो, वो मुझे लगता है कि वो सबसे बड़ा है जो अभी मतलब ये प्रोटेस्ट की जो इतने देर से वो लोग इतने दिन से जो मेहनत कर रहे थे, उनको आज सफलता मिली और आप सबके चेहरे पर जो मुस्कान देख रही, तो वो दिस इज अ सक्सेसफुल पॉइंट, ऐसा बोल सकते हैं।
Yeah, today I was following that online, totally following it. But today when I heard the news of his resign, we couldn't control ourselves to come here and celebrate and cheer everyone who worked very hard for this win today.
What do you think? What made this protest successful in terms of bringing about the resignation of a union minister?
I think courage of the people, the youngsters of this country, because I think they have been taking the youngsters of this country for granted. It's been a long time and we had to show that, you know, we understand everything. We are not just some kids and cockroaches here, and we have a voice and thought process as well.
Okay.
Sir, just now I came here because my mom told me like that you are not supposed to go there. So अभी भी मैं झूठ बोल कर आई हूँ उनसे. They are continuously keep calling me, but I told her I
brought you here then?
Sir, because they all are coming here. But being a youngster, I am also supposed to come here because as we all know about that कि नीट का पेपर लीक होता है, every year होता है. During my time period I also given नीट एग्ज़ाम and उस टाइम पे भी लीक हुआ था. मेरे ब्रदर ने भी दिया था, तब भी लीक हुआ था. उसके बाद हम डॉक्टर नहीं बन पाए, तो हमें नर्सिंग प्रोफेशन चूज़ करना पड़ा, अनफॉर्चुनेटली, बिकॉज दैट टाइम वी डोंट हैव एनी ऑप्शन टू जस्ट राइट नीट अगेन. और एज यू नो ऑल अबाउट दैट कि ये कोचिंग्स वगैरह दे आर वेरी कॉस्टली, सो इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल टू पे अगेन एंड अगेन like in the coachings, because if we take coaching from one of the institutions, so definitely they will charge 1 lakh 2 lakh, just like amount we need to pay. So that's why
It's not immediately clear what is the immediate future of this movement, as Avijit Dibke, the founding president of the Cockroach Janata Party, has said that there will be a candle march in each district of the country at around 6 p.m. But it remains to be seen how long will it take for the students to go back to their home, or they are digging in for a long haul seeking more accountability from the government. I am Mayank for The Print in Delhi.